Hey guys, and welcome back to another episode. Today I have 3 high-risk staking sites for you I've been using in the past. Some of them are new and some of them I've already been using for more than a year. They offer high returns but also very high risk, and I covered everyone in a single episode before. So in today's video I want to go over the results real quick, and I also want to show you some new information that I found. Let's start with the least riskiest one, and in my opinion that is Midas. When I first covered them, the APY for stablecoins was at 20%, but now it dropped down to 14.5%. But that's a good sign for me. It's better to lower the APY than to run a business model that is unsustainable. And here you can see the history of my staking results. In 3 months I earned almost $200. And overall nothing really changed with Midas, except that they lower the staking rewards or the staking rates. But again, I think that is a good sign. Moving on to the next staking site, and that is Aubit. I would say the risk is higher on this one, simply because the rates are really high. You can push it up to 43%, depending on how long you're gonna lock your funds and how many freeway tokens you have staked. I started with $1,000 last year in August, and I withdrew $7,000 in May of this year. So that was a really nice return. However, the rewards are coming from trading, and when I went to the Telegram group and asked for the trading history, they said that they're gonna release it soon, but they haven't done it. So that got me a little suspicious, and that's why I took some chips off the table. There is a performance record from the last year. If you want to see it, you can go to the website and download it there. Unfortunately, I cannot talk about it because I had to sign a non-disclosure agreement. But yeah, if you're staking on Aubit, I highly recommend that you check out this report for yourself. Now let's move on to the last site on today's list, and this one I've been using for 3 months now, and I'm really not sure what to think of it. Because when I look at my earnings over the last 3 months, they have been growing, but the market conditions were so bad, and that makes me wondering, like, how can they make such high returns? Or let's say even higher returns than the month before. I mean, they had an audit where they invited random people to check on the state of the business, and based on this report everything is fine. But I will start to withdraw my funds from yieldnodes because I don't know, it's just a feeling that I have, just doesn't feel right. As always, let me know your thoughts. What do you think of these 3 staking sites? Is the risk too high, or is it a good opportunity? If you want to help out the channel, you can sign up by using the link in the description, or you can leave a like, subscribe, that helps too. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.